Hey guys, Moy-san here and welcome back again to my channel. So guys, in today's video, I wanted to do a review on Innisfree products that I got from Winners. It's now October, so it's fall season here in Canada. The last summer had made mild damages to my skin. So it made my skin kind of oily and my pores got larger. If you guys can see, this area here I have like pores that got larger and it made me have some few acne over here, which is not good because usually I get acne when the weather is kind of humid and because my skin turns very oily and it irritates my skin actually. So I try to use face wash or toners that are intended to be used for oily skin. I don't usually get acne even when I sleep late or when I eat like junk foods or chocolate, things like that. But when the humid comes and when there's like an extreme heat, I do get acne and my skin becomes very dull. So I wanted to do an Innisfree review with you guys. So these are the three products that I wanted to share with you. So the first product that I'm gonna do a review on is this is the Innisfree Brightening and Pore Caring Toner. Guys, I love using toner because it just helps to balance everything and it gives that instant brightening and glowy look. This Bi-Phase Toner, enriched with freshly squeezed tangerine peel extracts, helps to improve skin tone, dark spots, and skin texture for a brighter looking skin. So I'm gonna show you guys the consistency. It smells nice. It's very citrusy. Very light in texture. It absorbs pretty quick and it smells really nice. The fragrance is not so strong. So this one has a brightening effect because of the tangerine peel extract. The second product that I'm gonna share with you guys. So this is the Firming Energy Oil with fermented soybean. So there you go. Can you guys see? It says Firming Energy Oil fermented with antioxidant rich fermented soybean extract and oil from Jeju Island. Helps to improve skin texture for a firmer, healthier looking skin. And we know that soybeans are very common now with Asian skincare because it has a lot of antioxidants. It helps with skin firming and I'm gonna show you the consistency. It has a not so thick consistency though. So this is how it is. There you go. It's very mild on the skin. And it smells like a tea tree or it smells like oregano, honestly. Yeah, I like this one because it's very soft on the skin and it's not really oily. I know it says oil in here, but it's not. It's just mild and very light. And the next product that I'm gonna share with you guys is the one over here. So this is the Moisture Plumping Cream Mask with Lava Seawater. This cream has a mask hybrid that moisturizes skin for a visibly plump and hydrated skin. And you know what, guys? I haven't really used Innisfree creams so much, so this will be the first time that I'm actually gonna be using creams and I really like the smell and I like the smell. It's very calming, it's very soothing. So this is how it looks like. It smells like a medication, seriously, and you guys can see that it's very light. It's not thick, but I have used some creams that are like this before and I loved it because it's very watery on the skin, so it keeps the hydration very well. That's how it is on the skin. Can you guys see? It's really nice. So I'm gonna go and apply them. So I'm just gonna go and wash my face because right now I'm using the Omi Sun Bears sunscreen. So I'm just gonna go and wash my face and I'll come back. Okay guys, so I just finished washing my face and I just used an oil cleanser actually plus the CeraVe face wash that I've been using. So if you guys haven't seen, I use the CeraVe a lot because it's very soft on the skin, guys, and it's really nice. So I do double cleansing most of the time. The oil cleanser plus the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser because I don't know, it just makes my skin very soft. Anyways, let's start with the first product, which is the Innisfree Brightening Pore Caring Toner. Guys, I love this toner so much. I don't have to use a cotton, I just put it on my palm and very soft on the skin and it's very watery. So I kind of put toners under my eyes also, because sometimes my under eye gets, what do you call this? It gets those dull looking and darker sometimes. But I know most of the skincares, they don't usually recommend to put it close to the eye areas, but I do it as long as it doesn't bother you. And if you have an allergic reaction, of course, refrain from using and consult with your doctor. Right now, it's very soft and gets absorbed very quick. So as you guys can see, I have acne over here, here, and here. I just want to get rid of these dark spots over here, because you know what happened? I thought it was just a small bump, so I tried to pop it, and then it ended up having post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which is not a good thing. So guys, I will advise not to squeeze all those pimples because it might get infected. Okay guys, next we're gonna be using the Innisfree Firming Energy Oil with fermented soybean. So this is for firming and antioxidant, and it improves skin texture for a firmer, healthier looking skin. So there you go. It's actually very soft on the skin. I really like it. It's very moisturizing and it keeps my skin very plump. So next we're gonna go and try this one over here. This is the Innisfree Moisture Plumbing Cream Mask with Lava Sea Water. So that's how it is guys. I showed it to you earlier. It's very dewy and watery look. And then usually after this, I just go straight to bed and sleep or read something. And then first thing in the morning when you wake up, your skin is very bright and very soft and your pores are much smaller. So it doesn't leave your face oily when you wake up. So guys, that's how it is. Now my face looks very dewy look and very soft. It's good for those who's looking to have a glass skin effect. This is perfect for that. So there it is. There you go guys with my review with the Innisfree Plumbing Cream Mask, Energy Oil with fermented soybeans, and also the Brightening and Pore Caring Toner. I'll go and try this for like a month or so until I finish them, and then I'll give you guys an update again. Anyways guys, thank you for watching and I hope that you like this video. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like and turn on that notification bell for more skincare videos such as this one. And of course, don't forget to share it with your friends and families. And I'll see you guys again next time on my next videos. Bye bye!